Hey everybody, so welcome back to my channel. It's been a little bit since I uploaded a video. The video I'm going to do today is going to be a brow tutorial. I've gotten requested to do one of these for a while, so I figured might as well just make this one quick. It is going to be a talk through. My brow process usually only takes like 5 to 10 minutes, so want to see how I do my eyebrows, just keep watching and I will go ahead and get started. So what I usually use for my eyebrows all the time, like my favorite brow pencil, which this one's kind of small now, but it is my Anastasia Brow Wiz, I think, pencil. Actually, no, it's Perfect Brow Pencil. I have a backup. So it's my Perfect Brow Pencil, and I use the shade Dark Brown. Don't know if you can see that, but I use the shade Dark Brown. I start off, my eyebrows are actually pretty good right now. I do need to go get a wax, but I brush my brows up first before I fill them in, and then I lightly line underneath. So because again, the point is to fill them in. It's not supposed to be like drawn on. So I do fill in my brows. The key so that they don't look like super dark or super thick is to use like lighter strokes and blend it in as you're moving along. Alright, so we will do line underneath, and then I brush down and lightly fill in this way. You do want to go ahead and connect that top line to the bottom. So that is my right eye. I'm gonna go and repeat those same strokes, same steps on the left eye as we did on the right. And again, you definitely want to make sure you use the spoolie to even out or make those lines not as harsh. Clearly I just touched my face and I had brow pencil on it, so it's not on my cheek and it looks like a bruise. Another thing to remember when you do your eyebrows, they're not twins. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. You don't want them to be cousins because that's a little too not the same, but you definitely want them to at least be sisters, not twins. Alright, so now I have filled in both of my eyebrows, and my favorite brush to use when I am just cleaning up underneath is my Morphe M432 brush. I used to use the Anastasia, I think it was a number 7 brush with the angle, but I actually saw like a tutorial that Kelly Baker did, and she used a flat brush, like it's the same all the way across. So I figured, let me try that because she is one of the brow queens. So let me try that, and this actually works a lot better. I can control, like there's not more product at the beginning than there is at the end, like it's the same all the way across, and it also makes it a little bit easier to blend out. The concealer that I use for my eyebrows highlighting is my Born This Way by Too Faced. I use the shade Tan when I'm doing my eyebrows. So I know it comes with the little sponge tip or brush tip. I actually just take my flat brush and dab the end, dab product on the end of there, And then I'm going to just lightly go under my eyebrow. Now the good thing about using the flat brush also and the concealer for your highlight, you can also, like if you're doing an eyeshadow look, you can actually bring down the concealer and use that as a base for your eyeshadow too. So I use it when I do mine. I know some people like prefer eyeshadow primer, and that's fine too, but I figure if I'm already using the concealer, why not? And then we are going to do the same thing with the other eye. Now, if there is any like excess product, like you see, you can still see some of my concealer. I usually, this is a contour brush, like for a highlight and contour, but I use this Morphe M6 brush, and it kind of looks like a toothbrush or edges brush, but I will then go back in to clean it up and blend out the concealer. Alright, so after we have filled our eyebrows and we have concealed them, I will usually go back in one more time with my spoolie on the end of my Perfect Brow Pencil. And then I will use one of two brow setting gels for normal, everyday. Actually, it's good for any use, but for just a regular day-to-day, I use the NYX Control Freak brow gel. So it is, you know, affordable. You can get it at like Ulta or wherever. And then I am going to brush up and down. Just follow the shape of my eyebrows. So if you do all that to make your brows look good, but then don't set them, what's the point? Alright, so yeah, that is it. That is pretty much my brow routine every day. If you like it, let me know. Send me more suggestions. Be sure to like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.